Hello, hi, it's Liz here and it's Monday, so it's time to get the little collage assignment book out following the Margarete Miller prompts. So this week we are on week 26 and let's pop this on. So week 26 is a path or road, something with a spine, a candy wrapper, textured paper, something square, and the bonus swap is anything with a bit of yellow. So let's just pop that in here. I have my little bundle here all prepared, and I have got a path or a road. So I have this piece of map which has the road that we use from East Kilbride, where we are, to Glasgow. We use that road a lot when we pop into the city centre. This is where I used to live, Rutherglen. And yeah, so that's the road. It takes us about 15-20 minutes to go into the city centre. Something with a spine. So I have this kangaroo, which is from the Extraordinary Things book. So I have him and you can see his spine. A candy wrapper I didn't have, so I've switched that out for anything with a bit of yellow, and I've got this little bird with a bit of yellow. Textured paper, I have cut out a piece of textured paper and I'm just going to pop that there. And something square, I have this, also from the Extraordinary Things book. So something square, although it's sitting at a jaunty angle, making it a triangle, it is actually square. So I thought we would just pop that there. And that's quite fun because that's a sign saying that there's kangaroos for the next 5 kilometres, and this big kangaroo is looking at that sign. So that's what we're going to go with. So we'll just move everything off for the moment and get the glue stick out. And I've got my magazine here to glue on. These weeks pass quickly, don't they? What week did I say this was? 20. Yes, 26. So halfway. Wow. Halfway. I think that goes about there. We'll put this guy down next. I'll just go on and no more. Right, let's make sure we can glue him without taking any bits of his tail or his feet off. So I want his tail on. Just over a little bit. That'll be fine. There we are. Oh, I don't know if I like that bit sticking out there. Let's just tear that bit off. That's better. Okay, what was next? I think the paper was next. And we'll put the bird down there. No, that will be next. Oh, that's got a wee skinny bit. That's bound to come off. Nope, managed to put the glue on that without destroying it. Oh, there we are. I do love doing these collages. Oh, I hope the glue stick works on this. It's kind of strange paper. It's good fun. Yes, that's fine. And the last one. Little yellow bird. Don't want to cover up the Easter Bride word. There. Let's just get that up there. There we are. I think that's us. So we've got a path or a road, Easter Bride to Glasgow, something with a spine, textured paper, something square, and anything with a bit of yellow. What do you think? Big giant skeleton kangaroo. So that's us. Last week's I do like. Last week's that worked out well with the stencil, but this is quite fun. I quite like this one. I think my favourite one is still, where is it? This one. Still my favourite. Yep, for sure. Number 10. Oh, this is quite cute. 25, 26. I should count the pages and make sure I've got enough. Oh, I don't know if I've got enough left for the next 26. Maybe need to start doubling up, count them out another day. Right, so that's me. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, you know, a thumbs up, much appreciated. And yeah, so I shall see you again next time. And in the meantime, take care. Bye for now.